Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineers, chemical engineers, electrical and electronics engineer, electronics and communication engineer. So 4 different department graduates can make the best use of it, and most importantly, the job is in Chennai. So name of the company is Flex. They are looking for a junior engineer, GBS engineering, to work in Chennai. If you are willing to work in Chennai, then you can make the best use of this video, and you can click here to apply for further details. Let us scroll down. So when you scroll down, they will be clearly saying the job location is in Chennai and it's a full-time job, and they need a support for an extraordinary team who can build great products and contribute to growth. So they are looking for a junior engineer, GBS engineering, location in Chennai. So this is an environmental compliance team, and regarding the Flex, they welcome people from all the background, and their employees strive here by living their values, and they support each other for the betterment of the career as well as company's growth. So in order to fulfill your growth as well as the company means, you can make the best use of it by creating great products and great values. And job summary, what they actually want is they want you to be responsible for collection, analysis and component information and interaction and manufacturing across the world, and collect environmental declaration and provide guidance on various information. You have to provide as well as support the supplier, quality engineer and design engineering team regarding the environmental compliance. Handling the regulation changes and forecast the risk of the affected should be monitored. And basic qualification is you must have BE or BTech in chemical. See here, chemical, triple ECE, mechanical. So 4 departments can make use of it. So freshers can apply. They didn't mention anything regarding the experience. So fresh candidates can make use of it, and you must have knowledge of environmental regulations like so on, and knowledge of electrical and electronics component. Excellent written and oral communication skills in English is mandatory, and knowledge of MS Office and MS Outlook. You must also have good analysis skills. So other than that, what benefit they will be providing is like health insurance, paid time off solely. These are the extra allowances which they will be, extra allowance and benefit which they will be giving for the employees. And this is the details regarding the company. Just go through it. So they will be recruiting without any discrimination, so make the best use of it. And once you click the apply, see here you will be having an option called apply. Once you click here, they will be asking whether you need to autofill the resume or apply manually. You have to choose apply manually and upload your resume according to the whatever format they are asking, and whatever the size of the file, just stick on to it. And then you have to provide all your basic information, experience and voluntary disclosures and review, etc. So once you complete all these things, you will be applying for this job. So this job is in Chennai, and it's a core company for all the department like mechanical, triple EC, chemical. So make the best use of it, and kindly share the video to your friends who are in mechanical, triple EC and chemical. They will be making the best use of it. Do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.